Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining us on this Wednesday. Clouds are starting to clear out of Fargo now, and it's revealed a sundog, meaning we still have some ice crystals lofted up into the atmosphere with the breezy conditions we've had today. Wind right now is starting to gradually decrease out of the northwest at 18 miles per hour, but it feels like 10 degrees below zero with your actual air temperature of 9, both in Fargo and in Moorhead. A look at temperatures across our region. That thick black line at the top of your screen, that's the 0-degree mark, and it's going to be pushing its way down to the south as we go throughout the rest of this evening and into tomorrow morning. Still seeing fairly mild conditions to the south, 12 degrees in Fergus Falls, 10 in Oaks, so mild being a very relative term. Satellite and radar showing clouds across the southern valley, and that's keeping us a little more on the moderate side as well. But where we have that clearing up across the north, that's where we're going to get cold quite quickly. But in terms of wind, we are seeing that wind trend decrease, where through the day we had gusts into the 30-mile-per-hour range. We're now only seeing a couple spots still gusting into the 20s where you see the yellow areas. But overall, it is improving and will continue to do so over the next couple of hours tonight. Clouds keep on clearing, and I have the wind chill tacked on here, those numbers in pink, because by the time we're waking up tomorrow morning, we could see wind chills as cold as 40 below zero, especially up north along the international border, and widespread 20s and 30s below zero for your wind chill, and actual air temperatures in the teens and 20s below. So bundle up tomorrow morning. We're going to stay cold throughout the afternoon with afternoon temperatures in the single digits on either side of zero. We start to see cloud cover and a southerly breeze increase into the late afternoon and evening. That's going to act kind of like a blanket with the cloud cover, and the southerly air is going to pull in a little bit warmer temperatures, but we're going to see big changes come along with that as well. That first alert weather day for Friday, in fact, a winter storm watch already posted for Friday in the areas shaded in yellow for near blizzard conditions, and a high wind watch, the areas shaded in orange. So here's what we're looking at for Friday. Snow moves through in the morning with breezy conditions, but then behind that cold front that we're expecting, the wind is going to change directions out of the northwest, gust over 50 miles per hour in some areas. So blowing snow and blizzard-like conditions are definitely a possibility for your Friday, and temperatures will be falling through the day, turning quite cold again. The best area for potential gusts up to or over 50 miles per hour is right through the heart of the valley and eastern North Dakota. That's where we're looking at the best wind profile. So here's what it looks like starting Thursday night. So tomorrow night, here comes that increasing cloud cover, and we start to see just a few light snow showers inching their way in by Thursday night when you're tuning in to Valley News Live at 10 tomorrow night. But it's overnight that the snow becomes more widespread, especially as it moves across northwestern Minnesota. Then here comes that wind shift. Ahead of the front, wind is out of the south. Behind the front, turns out of the northwest, and that's when we're expecting those really gusty winds to pick up, creating potential whiteouts and travel disruptions for your morning commute and potentially for your evening commute as well, with temperatures diving through the day. The good news, we're not looking at a ton of snowfall, about 1 to 3 inches in these areas in the darker blue from Bemidji up towards Baudette and Roseau, less than an inch elsewhere. Temperatures for tomorrow, we're starting out in the teens below zero, staying below zero for much of the day, but we will have some sunshine. Get ready for, that slide as we head into Friday with our wintry weather returning. Looking unsettled as well for Saturday with breezy conditions and another shot of some snow across the northern valley. Another chance of snow for Sunday and falling temperatures. And then Monday, Tuesday, and even into Wednesday, Mike. We're keeping a close eye on a Colorado low that could pack a bit more of a punch when it comes to snowfall amounts.
We're not dealing with an Alberta Clipper. It's now a Colorado low.
Yes.
Ouch. Thanks, Summer. Up next, we check in with Beijing.